One of the most common topics discussed, family migration, spouse visa. What's your take on that?
Yes, Australia has a migration program to unite the families. It's called family reunion. The most popular family reunion visa is the spouse visa, where an Australian citizen or permanent resident enter into a relationship with a spouse, and could be a marriage relation, marital relationship, could be a de facto relationship. And then the applicant, the non-resident, is allowed to apply for spouse visa. That application can be lodged in Australia if they hold a prescribed visa in Australia. But if they're outside of Australia, even without having the prescribed visa, they can apply for spouse visa offshore. There are different visa categories, different visa subclasses for onshore and offshore.
Right.
It's an opportunity for applicants to join their spouse who is a citizen or a permanent resident of Australia. The second category is the parent visa, where the Australian citizens or the permanent residents can sponsor their parents to Australia.
Okay.
There are different categories. The normal parent visa category take many years because the quotas for that is insignificant. Therefore, so many years to process your parent visa. But if you wish to contribute your medical expenses for Medicare, then you have an option called contributed parent visa. It's comparatively is rather shorter processing period. You can obtain your permanent residence if you are sponsored by your children. But there's a criteria for any parent category. You must have at least 50% of children residing permanently in Australia.
Right.
Then one child can sponsor your parents. That's available. And then the parents can sponsor their dependent children.
Right.
And then there are last remaining members. There are many other family categories. Family reunion is a concept within the Australian migration legal framework. As an Australian law firm, we are committed to help you in Sri Lanka and Australia. Australia Gateway, with over 25 years experience, with the support of Fairfield lawyers in Melbourne, we are there to support you to advise and process your family migration visa, whether it's a parent visa or a spouse visa or any other family visa. We are there to give you absolutely correct advice and support you in your migration journey from start to finish.